Hi.
Hello, Mr. Harry, Mr. Ryan, right?
No.
Okay. You know the time, right? How
Yes.
we represent the time, like, 1 o'clock, 01, 1:20, right? So the format is hour and a minute. The hour from 0 to 12. The other one is 0 to 24, right? 24, actually not including 24, alright?
That's because it's 0 to 23 because it includes 0
Yeah.
but the 12-hour clock doesn't include 0.
Okay. So actually, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no.
You're right. So look, sometimes this is if this is afternoon, then we probably can represent it as 13:20, right? Or 01:20 p.m. sometimes, right? Okay. So today we're looking at this 24-hour representation, time representation, right? So given the time, right? 23:56. This is a valid time, right? Yeah. Is this a valid time?
No.
Why is that?
Because it's 24.
Yeah, 24. Okay, so you know that, right?
It's only 0 to 23.
Okay, so the hour needs to be bigger than 0 or equal than 0 and 23, right? Yeah? And the minute needs to be 59 and bigger than 0, right? Okay, so let's say we have a string of these time, but if I erase one of it and replace with question mark, how many valid time can you represent using this?
3.
What are those?
0, 1, 2.
0, 1, 2, okay. That's good. And how about if I replace this with question mark, how many times of that?
3.
How many valid times can you represent using this?
3. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3.
No, why is it only 3? And how about this one? Look, this is 0, 1,
2.
2, right?
And 3.
3, okay. And how about this one?
0, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so how many of them?
What? 0, 1, 2, 3, like I said.
Is it 36?
Why is it 36?
4!
Why is 4? Look, combination, why is it 4?
8! It's 36.
Very close. How many possibilities here?
Because it's 4 times. No. Oh yeah, 40.
4 times 10, okay? Combination, do you get it now? Yeah, because
40.
here we have 4 choice, here we have 10 choice. So for each choice here we have 10, so that's 4 times 10, okay? Make sense?
No, but it's only 0 to 9, not 0 to 10.
0 to 9, then
Yeah,
it's
but
10.
he's including 0.
Yeah, 0, look, 0 to 9, how many digits? How many possibilities? 10, right? 10, and there are 4 choices here, there are 10 choices here. So combination, that's 4 times 10, okay? We talk about like multiplication rule, okay? These 10, how many choices? Come on, this is very simple, look, how many
24.
choices? 24, good. Another one. How many choices?
59? No, 60.
60, 0 to 59, yeah, you got it, huh? But this is quite tricky. How about
2?
what?
It's only 0 or 1.
0 and 1, but not 2, right? Okay, you got it, oh yeah?
Well, then nothing else 29 o'clock.
That's right, okay. How about,
That's not that tricky.
not that tricky, good.
99.
99, how many?
0.
0, yeah, because this is not valid time, right? Okay, how many?
4.
Here is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 3, okay.
Yeah, what do you mean? What?
And how about 1?
You give us the same question
Okay,
all over
okay,
again.
okay, this one.
0.
10.
10.
Yeah. 0,
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
That's good, so that's good. So how do we solve this problem?
We use our brain.
So we give a string of this.
we use our brain. Well.
It depends on which digit, am I right?
Yeah.
So how would you do it roughly? What did you do? I mean, when we try to find out solutions.
Just find the times.
Yeah, I mean, I know you know how to do it, but how would you describe your approach?
So, well,
Given a
I
string.
know the time, and I would just see how, like,
Keep going.
the time can be because like I know the time and I know like 60 minutes and blah 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 blah.
Yeah.
24 hours, blah blah, and I just use that.
Okay.
Like oh let's do it let's do like 2 question mark column 0 0
Mm.
and then like let's see 0 1 2 3. I can't do 4 because I know there's 24 hours and it includes and 24 hours clock it includes 0, so we don't include 24 as a consequence. I don't know.
Okay.
Brute force. Check every possibility.
Let's okay. Yeah, we can brute force. Yes, but here we are not actually brute forcing. We are actually counting, right? We're actually counting.
Oh, counter.
So it's like pattern matching. Yeah. Look. So given a time, right? I said 13, 20 something, right? So if this is question mark, definitely we have 10 digits, 10 possibilities, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What?
If this is question mark, we times the answer. Answer at the beginning equals 1. We times the answer 10. Okay? Yeah? If this is question mark, what happened?
Means
How many possibilities?
60.
6 possibilities. Okay? Just times 6 here, right? So it's 60, alright? Yeah? If these two are both question mark, how many possibilities? If these two, the first 2 digits.
24.
Yeah, if these two are the first 2 digits are question mark, we times 24. Okay. The difficult part is that one of them is question mark, right? One of them is question mark, then we have to check the different situation. For example, if the first one is question mark, right? The first digit is question mark. Then, okay, so let's add hour, minute. If the first digit is question mark, we have to check this one. Alright? So if this digit is 0, 1, 2, 3. So how many possibilities here?
3.
Because we can have 0,
1 2.
1, 2, right?
But
If it's a 4, 5, 6 till 9, how many possibilities?
2.
2, because we only have 0, 1, right? We can't have put the 2 here, right? Yeah, that's the first digit. How about the second digit? If the second digit is question mark, if the second digit is question mark, so we have to check this first one. 0, 1, 2. What do we have for the second digit?
0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9.
For 0 and 1, but if it's
Yeah?
but if
it's,
it's 2, it's 0 1 2 3.
Oh yeah. Sorry. Yeah. You're right. If it's 0 and 1, that's 10 choice, right? If it is 2, then we have
0 1
0,
2
1,
3.
2, 3.
Mhm.
Make sense? Answer equals 1. And if we check the last digit, if last digit is question mark, we answer times equals 10. If the second last digit answer times 6, right? If the first two are both question mark, answer times 24, right? And then these we have to check the different situations. If the first digit is 0, 1, the second digit could be 10 choice. If the first digit is 2, the second digit have 4 choice, right? This is times 10, this is times 4. And then the opposite. If the second digit is 0, 1, 2, 3, the first digit is 3 choice. If the second digit is 4, 5 to 9, the first digit have 2 choice. Okay. Another way, we know this, right? Yeah? We can just brute force. For h in range 24, 0 to 23. For minute in range 60. We brute force the hour, minute, and then we just have to check if the f function hm and the time. We just check if it matches, we plus equal 1 and return answer. So the thing here is how do we implement this f function? We just have to construct a time using the h and m, right? And then we just compare two string. This time is s, so we can just return or si equal ti or ti, right? Or ti equals question mark for I in range 5, right? Because there are only 5 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. we have to check if each character equals or the target time, the given time contains this question mark, then it matches. The time complexity, what's the time complexity? What's the time complexity here? Look.
S square.
What's time complexity? 24, 60, what are those?
O1.
O1 constant, they are O1 constant time, okay? And then this, the first approach is O1 constant because we're just checking, we just do this math, right? Okay, so what have you learned today?
About the time.
Okay, so come on,
About the time, and we have
And there's a question mark.
and we have an unknown digit.
Yeah.
And we're finding the possibilities of the
value
unknown,
time, yeah.
the digit of the unknown values digit something, and the approach is that on the left side it's and we're saying that the hours, so if the tens hour is 0, 1, 2, the second the first digit is 0, 1. It can be 0, 1, 2. Oh, sorry. The second digit is.
This is a bit confusing. This is the opposite actually.
Okay, so if the first digit is 0 and 1 or 1, and if the second digit is an unknown digit and the first digit is 0 and or 1, and the unknown digit has 10 possibilities, and if the first digit is 2, the unknown second digit is 0, 1, can be 0, 1, 2, or 3.
Mm-hmm.
And if the first digit is unknown, and so it can be if
the second digit
is 0, 1, 2, 3, it could be 0, 1, 2. But if it's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it only can be 0 and or 1.
Okay, and how about the third digit?
The third digit is if the third digit is 6, no matter what. But
Yeah.
if both of the minutes are unknown, it's 60.
Yeah, this is 6, this is 10, so 60, right?
Yeah.
And then the second choice is we iterate over the time. We construct the possible time and check if the time matches, right? The given time.
A time
Mm-hmm.
and a question mark in it.
Okay, so what are we trying to do here?
We're trying to count how much possibilities can the question mark be times.
Be valid time, yeah? So what's the approach?
We look.
And
If both of the minutes are question mark but the hours are not, it will be 60 because because the last minute is the 10 and the first minute there's 6, so 6 times 10 is
Yeah.
60.
okay, how about the hours? Yeah, there are possibilities, yeah?
But if one of the minutes
Yeah.
is question mark, if it's the second one, it's only 10.
Okay,
And if it's the first one, it's only 6.
yeah.
If the hours, both of them, it's 24.
That's right. Yeah. Also,
But- But if the first one is question mark, but the second one isn't, you need if the second one is 0 to 3, it could be 3. That the answer is 3 because it could be 3. But if it's 4 to 9, it only can be 0 or 1. But if the second one is only it, the question mark, but the first one isn't, if the first one is 2, it could only be 0 to 3, which is 4. But if it's 1 or 0, it could be 0 to 9. because it's 3. Because it's 3.
Oh, you're talking about this one, yeah? Okay. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye.
Bye.